Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So welcome to Black Friday. So we're running some Black Friday specials, Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. You'll see them coming up and down on our pages as they sell out, and we've replaced them with other things and all sorts of fun and games. So first one up for this time is the 1/10 2020 Kangaroo. Now I will open the roll up so we can have a bit of a squiz at it. So that is the 1/10 2020 Kangaroo from the Perth Mint. Now we are doing these at spot plus $20, I believe it is, which is a bargain price. They're usually about 70 to 80 over spot. So there is only 100. They're very limited. There will be a link down below. Click on the link, go straight there. They're limited to one per person, and there is 100 of them available until sold out, or tomorrow. We'll probably pull them off on Saturday if there's any remaining, which I doubt very much there will be, but if there is any, we'll probably pull them off on Saturday and we'll roll out the next special. So that's it for now. Grab them while you can. The 1/10 2020 Perth Mint Kangaroo, spot plus $20. See you later.